Hello internet marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon, and today I will show you guys how much I made from reviewing this internet marketing product. So about half a year ago I started reviewing some article spinning tools. These are mostly used for content marketing. So I reviewed 5 different article spinning tools right here: the Best Spinner, Spin Rewriter, Chimp Rewriter, Word AI, and Spinner Chief. So I made these videos and it didn't get a whole lot of views. A couple of them got over 1,000 views, like this Word AI one, Word AI review, and this all-in-one comparison of all 5 tools. And the number 1 recommended out of these 5 was Spin Rewriter, and it only got 784 views total. And the number 2 was 580 views. So what I recommended the most actually got the least amount of views, which was the weird part. And I also made the most sales from these 2 videos. So let's take a look at how much I've made. And here is Spin Rewriter. Made about 500, including the pending commission. And this one for the Best Spinner made about $74 since I've made the videos. And the weird thing was, for the last few months I didn't get any new commissions, and it turns out they moved their affiliate tracking and program into a new affiliate network, so I didn't know about it. So I missed out on months of commissions. So I just started adding in my new affiliate link for the Best Spinner, and today is July 22nd, and I added in my affiliate link, my updated one, about early July, first week of July, and I've already made $207 this month. And the net is $70 minus the refunds. So I was missing out on potentially $70 or more or less dollars a month because they switched out a new affiliate tracking system and I didn't know about it. So overall, within a year, probably make about 1,000, and it's pretty passive income. I made the videos. I also collect monetization from YouTube, about $5 per 1,000 views, and I've got about over 5,000 views, so $25-30 from these views, including about potentially $1,000 plus a year. And it took a couple days to set up and made the videos, so it's pretty good for passive long-term income, just recommending products as an affiliate marketer. So it does work. I'm happy with the results, and I'm still making new product reviews and other journeys to make money online. Please subscribe to find out my other make money journeys, case studies, and other products and tools I recommend. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped give you some ideas about how to make money online with affiliate product reviews. Thanks so much again, and until next time, happy marketing.